Hi everyone, welcome back to Brew Rituals. Today I'm showing you how to make rich, buttery, salted caramel sauce with just a few ingredients. Start by adding 1 cup sugar to a pan on medium heat. Let it melt slowly. Don't rush this step. As the sugar melts, gently stir until it turns into a beautiful golden amber caramel. Now carefully add 50 grams butter and mix well. The caramel will bubble. That's totally normal. Next, turn off the flame and slowly pour in 1/2 cup fresh cream while stirring continuously. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon sea salt and mix until smooth and glossy. Since I used salted butter, I'm just adding a pinch of salt, and that's it. Your homemade salted caramel sauce is ready, perfect for coffee, desserts, pancakes, or ice cream. If you love coffee and cafe-style recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Brew Rituals for more.